Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope your exam was very fine. Yes, you all have appeared for your exam. How was your paper? Good. Oh, very good. So, were you able to understand all the questions? Yes. Was there any problem? I don't think there was any problem in the paper. Okay, so now we shall continue with the grammar part. That is, new topic which we are going to start is pronouns, right? Pronoun. What is our topic for today? Pronoun. That means word used in place of a noun. Right. Now for example, myself. What is my name? My name is Nilima. Right. Okay, my name is Nilima. So what will I do? Nilima loves reading, Nilima loves cooking, Nilima wants water, Nilima wants this. Will I repeat my name again and again? No. Then what do we say? Yes, मुझे पानी ला दो. मेरे घर मेहमान आए. तो मेरे, मुझे, all these are used in place of Nilima. नीलिमा की जगह जो यूज होता है that is pronoun. Pronoun, right? Which is used in place of a noun, right? Now, the boy is dancing. What is the boy doing? The boy is dancing. Boy is dancing. And now if I want to continue my line, boy is singing. Boy is singing. What will I do? ये boy की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे? Boy is dancing. He is singing also. वो गाना भी गा रहा है. वो कौन? Boy. तो boy के लिए हम कौन सा word use करते हैं? That is called a pronoun. The word used in place of a noun. Right? For example, मैं लड़की हूँ. I am a girl. Right? I is a pronoun. Right? Now, वो लड़का है. He is a boy. He is a pronoun. She is a girl. She, वो लड़की है. Right? She. Then you are looking smart. आप क्या दिख रहे हो? Smart दिख रहे हो. You. Right? You is a pronoun. We are going for a picnic. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Picnic. Right? So, we, हम, you are coming tomorrow. तुम कल स्कूल आ रहे हो. You are coming tomorrow. Right? You. They. they means many people, right? So these words are used in place of a noun. That is why they are called pronouns. Pronouns means the words used in place of a noun, right? Let's do some exercise. Oral exercise, okay? Mohan is a good boy. My sentence is not over, I am continuing sentence. He is my brother. किसके बारे में बात कर रही मैम? About whom am I talking? I am talking about Mohan. Mohan is a good boy. He is my brother. अब मोहन की जगह मैंने क्या यूज किया? He. So he is a pronoun, right? He is a pronoun. Okay? In the same way, he goes to school daily. वो रोज स्कूल जाता है. कौन जाता है रोज? मोहन. He is a pronoun, right? Now, in the same way, what are the pronouns? Let's make a list of pronouns. First person. First person मतलब मैं, मेरे बारे में बात हो रही है, right? Second person, जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं. Second person, सामने वाला. Third person यानी मैं, तुम और वो, जिसको हमने देखा नहीं है, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. तो that is third person, right? Third. Okay. This is the first person, the second person and the third person. Now, first person, I am a girl, right? So, I am a girl. You are a girl, तुम लड़की हो. और you are a boy, तुम लड़के हो. You, मैं किसकी बात कर रही हूँ? तुम्हारी. तो second person कौन हो गया? You, right? थर्ड पर्सन, वे बच्चे हैं. सो क्या बन जाएगा? दे, राइट? द आई फर्स्ट पर्सन, यू सेकेंड पर्सन, थर्ड दे, राइट? मैं, ये पेन मुझे दे दो. मुझे जब हम बोलते हैं सो मी, राइट? ये पेन तुम्हारा है. This is your pen. तो your second person. Third, ये पेन उनका है. This is their pen. Their. Third person. Right? अब ये बुक मेरी है. This is my book. My. My, मेरी. मी, मुझे. I, मैं, राइट? तो I मतलब मैं, मी मतलब मुझे, my मतलब मेरा. ओके. फिर आता है माइन, MINE, माइन. माइन मतलब कंफर्म बताता है कि ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरी है. ओके. तो दिस मीन्स माइन. You, your, yours. ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ तुम्हारा है और किसी का नहीं है, राइट? अब इधर पे क्या आएगा? दे, देयर, देम. दे मतलब वे, देयर मतलब उनका, देम मतलब उनको. them मतलब उनको 5 बजे बुलाया। I called them at 5 o'clock। तो ये चीज हमें याद रखनी है। कैसे याद रखेंगे? I मतलब मैं, me मतलब मुझे, me, give this to me मुझे दे दो, give my book to me मेरी बुक मुझे दे दो, right? Mine, whose book is this? मैम mine मेरी है। आप यहाँ पे मेरी बोल सकते हो। ओके, whose book is this? This book is mine, जो सिर्फ आपकी है और किसी की नहीं है। ओके, then you तुम, your तुम्हारा, yours तुम्हें, they their then। ओके, अब इसके अलावा हम लोगों का क्या चलेगा? थर्ड पर्सन के अंदर ही, हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? उस लड़के की। तो ही, शी, इट, राइट? ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट प्रोनाउंस। अब हम देखेंगे जो हमारा चल रहा है थर्ड पर्सन के बारे में। ही इज अ बॉय, वो एक लड़का है। ही इज अ बॉय, करेक्ट? दिस इज हिज बुक। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? ये बुक उसकी है, वो एक लड़का है। गिव दिस बुक टू हिम। देखो, ही इज अ बॉय, वो एक लड़का है, ये बुक उसकी है, ये बुक उसको दे दो। तो ही, हिज, हिम, ही, हिज, हिम, राइट? अब इसी तरीके से हम गर्ल का देखेंगे। शी इज अ गर्ल, राइट? शी इज अ गर्ल, वो एक लड़की है। फिर दिस इज हर रूम, ये रूम किसका है? हर मतलब ये उसका रूम है, राइट? गिव दिस रूम टू हर, ये रूम उसको दे दो। जब हम बात करते हैं, एक होटल में जाते हैं, होटल में अगर हम बात करेंगे ये रूम उसको दे दो, अगर कोई लड़की गई है तो क्या बोलेंगे? ये रूम उसको दे दो, गिव दिस रूम टू हर। तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है? शी, हर, ही के साथ क्या होता है? ही, हिज, हिम, शी, हर, राइट? तो ये ऐसे चलता है। ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी अनदर एग्जाम्पल। We are coming tomorrow। We are coming tomorrow, हम कल आ रहे हैं, राइट? अब we are coming tomorrow, okay? Now give us some बेड शीट्स. हमें कुछ बेडशीट्स दे देना. हमें, हम, हमें, हमारा. गिव give us our bed sheets. हमारी बेड शीट्स हमें दे दो. तो we, us, our, right? You, you are a good boy. You are a good boy. This is your books. ये तुम्हारी बुक्स है. तुम एक अच्छे लड़के हो. ये बुक्स तुम्हारी है. Give you your, these are your, these books are yours. ये बुक्स तुम्हारी है. These books are yours, right? So you, your, yours. Okay? So this is how we have to change the pronouns. Okay? So now let's start with the chapter. Open up your classwork copies. I'm waiting for you, and let's write down some useful tips in our classwork copies. Okay, now definition of a pronoun. What you are going to do, you are going to start with the topic, you are going to write down the date, and after that we are going to write down the definition. Now what is the definition? Pronoun. Pronoun is a word. Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Okay, so what you are going to write? You are going to write down the definition. In the definition, pronoun is a word used in place of a noun, right? Okay, I am waiting for you. You continue with your work. Okay. Yes, hope you have written down the definition. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun, right? So now you are going to make a list of pronouns. Okay, so some pronouns are I for myself. अपने लिए यूज करते हैं हम I, he for a boy, she for a girl, it for non-living things. Right? I, he, she, it. Then you, we, they. We मतलब हम, you मतलब तुम, और they मतलब वे. Right? So you use I for myself, he for a boy, she for a girl, it for non-living thing. For example, a table, or you can say animals also. Here you can write down animals also. Now when we talk about a dog is a pet animal. It has 4 legs. Now how many legs is the dog having? The dog is having 4 legs. Now dog is a noun, and in place of a noun we are using it. It has 4 legs. It has 2 eyes. It has a curly tail. So that means we are talking about the animal, that is the dog, right? So just note down what is written on the board. I, myself, हमारे खुद के लिए यूज करते हैं. For example, I am a girl. I am 5 years old. I am going to Pune. I am a good girl. I do my homework daily. I attend my classrooms daily. Right? He हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Boy. He is a good boy. He lives in Pune. He is coming tomorrow. So when you talk of a boy, that time we use he. When we talk about a girl, we use she. She is a girl. She is good in maths. She is wearing a beautiful frock. She is going to Pune. She is coming by bus. So when we talk about a girl, we use she. It, non-living thing. It is a table. It is made of wood. It is a dog. It has 4 legs. It has 2 eyes. Right? When we are talking about you, tum, why are you fighting? You are coming tomorrow. You will do your work. You are writing clearly. We, yes ma'am, we are coming tomorrow. We will do the work. हम काम कर लेंगे. They, ma'am, they are fighting. वो झगड़ा कर रहे हैं. हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? वो, वे. So, they means we. Okay? Note down what is written on the board. Hope things are very, very clear to you. Still, if you have any doubt, you can contact me personally. My number is there with you. Okay? Hope you have written down what is written on the board. Okay, hope your work is complete, and after this let's move further. Okay, now there are 4 types of pronouns. How many types of pronouns are there? Pronouns are further divided into 4 types. First is personal pronouns. Next, interrogative. Next, demonstrative. And the last one is reflexive. Reflexive pronoun. Okay. So, there are 4 types of pronouns which you are going to study in this class. First is personal pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun and reflexive pronoun. There are 4 types of pronouns which we are going to learn in this session, and the first thing is personal pronoun. Now, what are personal pronouns, right? Now, when I am talking about an example, let's take, about whom shall I talk? Okay, let's talk about Karnika. Okay, so this is Karnika. Karnika is a good girl. Karnika loves drawing. Karnika does her homework daily. Right. Now, everybody likes Karnika. You don't have to write all this. This part you don't have to write down. This is explanation part. Okay. So now what about whom are we talking? We are talking about Karnika. This is Karnika. Karnika is a good girl. Karnika loves drawing. Karnika does her homework daily, and everybody loves Karnika. Now the name Karnika. Here Karnika is repeated. Every sentence the name is repeated again and again. Karnika, 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 Karnika this, Karnika that. So when the name is repeated again and again and again, at that time we use a single word in place of a noun, and that is a pronoun. Now remember, we had made a list of words which is suitable for a girl and which is suitable for a boy. Now what is that word used for girls? She. So what am I going to do? I am going to remove this name, Karnika. Now if I remove this name and use a word in place of a noun, it becomes she. Now see, this is Karnika. We are talking about Karnika. Karnika, she is a good girl. Now she loves drawing. She does her homework daily. Everybody likes her. About whom are we talking? The first word was Karnika, and later on in place of Karnika we have used a pronoun, and that is describing Karnika, and that is Karnika is a girl. So we have used she. She is a good girl. She loves drawing. She does her homework daily. Everybody likes her. So the words which are used for person are called personal pronouns, right? So now we will be talking about personal pronouns, okay? Let's move on to the next topic, that is personal pronoun. Okay. Personal pronoun. Now we have to write the definition of personal pronoun. So what is my definition? You will use a highlighter to highlight this, and definition. Now what is the definition of personal pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Okay. So personal pronouns, words used in place of a noun, repeated many times is called a personal pronoun, right? Okay, now for example, I, me, my, mine, us, our, we are first person pronouns. ओके ना फर्स्ट पर्सन मीन्स हम जब हमारे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो ये हो गया फर्स्ट पर्सन. आई, मैं, मी, मुझे, माय, मेरा, माइन, मेरा, अस, हमें, अवर, हमारा, वी, हम, आर फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउंस. ये किसके बारे में बता रहे हैं? ये अपने बारे में बता रहे हैं. हम एक पर्सन हैं और हमारे बारे में जो वर्ड्स बताते हैं दैट इज पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, राइट. और अब इसके अंदर क्या होगा? सेकंड पर्सन भी होगा. यू, योर, योर्स, तुम, तुम्हें, तुम्हारा. ये हो गया आर सेकंड पर्सन. सेकंड पर्सन मीन्स सामने वाला, मैं और तुम, राइट. तो हम दो जन की बात होती है, तो जब दो जन बातें कर रहे होते हैं तो ये देखो, मान लो ये दो बच्चे हैं, ये बात कर रहा है और ये बात कर रहा है, तो ये हो गया फर्स्ट पर्सन और ये हो गया सेकंड पर्सन। जो खुद बात चालू करता है दैट इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन, जिससे बात कर रहे हैं वो हो गया सेकंड पर्सन। ओके, अब थर्ड पर्सन यानी हम जब अपने फ्रेंड के बारे में बात करते हैं दैट इज अ थर्ड पर्सन, राइट। अब ओके, सो यू कंप्लीट दिस मच। और थर्ड पर्सन में हम क्या लिखेंगे, चलो कंप्लीट दिस एंड देन विल कंटिन्यू। Done, hope you have done it. Okay, so now we'll continue with the third person. Okay, now we will continue there only. He, his, him, she, her, hers, it, its, they, their, them, are called third person pronouns. Okay. These are called third person pronouns. Okay. Now complete your work. Then we'll move further. Hope you have completed. Let's understand it very easily, more understanding. Now, see, Sharvil was walking on the road. Sharvil क्या कर रहा है? Walk कर रहा है. क्या कर रहा है? Walk कर रहा है. काय का टाइम है? शाम का टाइम है. Sharvil walk कर रहा है. शर्विल क्या कर रहा है? वॉक कर रहा है. अब शर्विल को रास्ते में कौन मिला? अथर्व मिला. कौन मिला? अथर्व. अथर्व मिला. शर्विल ने अथर्व को बोला गुड इवनिंग. फर्स्ट पर्सन कौन है? शर्विल. शर्विल कौन है? फर्स्ट पर्सन. सेकंड पर्सन कौन है? अथर्व. अथर्व कौन है? सेकंड पर्सन. अब शर्विल और अथर्व दोनों मिल गए और दोनों वॉक करने निकले. अब रास्ते में कौन मिली? कर्णिका. कौन मिली? कर्णिका. तो कर्णिका कौन हो गई? थर्ड पर्सन. क्लियर हो गया? तो फर्स्ट पर्सन जिसने बात शुरू करी, सेकेंड पर्सन जब जवाब देगा फर्स्ट पर्सन को, तो ये फर्स्ट पर्सन, ये सेकेंड पर्सन और दोनों मिलके तीसरे से मिले, दैट इज द थर्ड पर्सन. You revise this at home, and still if you have any doubt you can contact me. Okay, bye bye. enjoy your day and complete your work. Okay, bye.